Good morning and welcome to the first episode of the Energia Positive Energy Easter series. Today we're going to look at the pass and Leo is going to show you some tips and tricks to get the perfect rugby pass. Now, all you need is a little bit of space and a rugby ball for this. And what Leo's going to go through now is his roaring warm-up routine. So take it away, Leo. Leo uses his roaring warm-up routine, the cowboy, to get the Leinster players going before every single game. So you should be feeling a little bit warmer now. So what we're going to go on to is our pass. Okay, so Leo will show you and I'll talk you through the pass. So you want to have your dominant hand on the bottom of the ball and your other hand on the top half of the ball. From the back, you're going to push the ball and spin it and use your other hand to guide it. So a few more examples there, Leo. Brilliant stuff. And last one. Super. So if you can give that a good bit of practice at home, there's no reason why you can't be just as good at passing as any of the guys on the Leinster squad. Okay, so the next pass we're going to go on to now is the pop pass. Pop pass is a great little move to put one of your supporting players through a sneaky little gap and hopefully get a try. So Leah's going to show us again and I'll talk us through it. So you want to hold the ball at the lower half with both hands and we're going to use our wrists and our elbows to send the pass out. Lovely stuff. Brilliant, so this is a nice easy pass that you can learn, but it's super effective and you'll see it a lot of the time to the forwards when they're trying to make a nice break in through a gap. So that's a nice little easy pass that you can practice and it's really, really effective on the pitch. Okay, so the last pass we're going to go through is a really specialised pass and it's the ground pass. So you'll see the scrum halves doing this from the back of the ruck or the back of the scrum. So Leo's going to again show us this pass and I'll talk us through it. So ball's on the ground, Leo uses his dominant leg over the ball where all the power is coming from and he's going to point his other leg towards me where he's going to send the ball. Same, just your average spin pass off the ground here. Lovely stuff. One more demo, Leo. Nice powerful pass, lovely stuff. Brilliant, brilliant. And that's the one that takes a good bit of practice, so make sure you're out in the garden doing that as much as possible. Okay, so if you can keep up all your practice on those skills and drills, I'm sure we'll see you all playing for Leinster before too long. Make sure to check out anything you've missed from Leo's skills and drills on energia.ie/positive energy. And don't forget to tune in tomorrow for some more skills and drills. All you'll need is a rugby ball, some cones, and if you haven't got any cones, what you can use is some markers or maybe some Tupperware and a bit of space out the back garden if you can. Make sure to ask your parents before you take any of their Tupperware. And if any of them have a few minutes to go and help you out, they can help you out with our sidestep drill that we're going to go through tomorrow. Make sure to tune in to energia.ie/positive energy tomorrow at the same time for our episode 2.